Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular email services, Proton Mail and Gmail. Which one should you pick? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this is based on my personal opinion and research, so always consider what fits your needs best. First up, Gmail, the big player from Google. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with features like smart inbox sorting, easy integration with Google Drive, Docs, and Calendar, plus powerful spam filters. Gmail also offers tons of storage, 15 gigabytes shared across Google services, and works well on all devices. However, privacy isn't Google's strong suit. Google scans your emails for targeted ads and data mining, which some users find intrusive. Now, Proton Mail, based in Switzerland and built around privacy, Proton Mail offers end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the recipient can read your emails. It's great if you want serious security and anonymity. Proton Mail doesn't scan your messages or sell your data, but the free version has limited storage, about 500 MB, and fewer features than Gmail. Proton Mail's interface is simple and secure, but some might find it less convenient for everyday productivity. So who wins? If you want convenience, tons of features, and integration with other tools, Gmail is probably your best bet. But if privacy and security are your top priorities, Proton Mail is the way to go. For this comparison, I used info from the official sites like proton.me and workspace.google.com. Final verdict, it really depends on what matters most to you, advanced productivity or privacy protection. Some people even use both, Google for daily use and Proton Mail for sensitive communications. Thanks for watching. Remember, this review is based on my research and experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.